Hi my angels, welcome back to my channel. I hope wherever you all are safe and doing well. As the title says, it's a collective haul. Over the period of 2 months, I shopped a bit from Nykaa and a teensy mincy bit from Amazon. So today I'm gonna share with you all what all I got from both these sites. Also, if you're new here, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. It'll mean a world to me. And yes, without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I'll be starting with Amazon first. So the first product that I have here is Bioderma Sebum Gel Mousse. It's nothing but a face wash for oily and combination skin. It's paraben free and hypoallergenic. That means it won't clog your pores. Yes, it's a great product for oily and combination skin. Alright, next up is Cetaphil Moisturizing Lotion, and it's for dry skin and it is for both face and body. So it says long lasting hydration for daily use, non-greasy, non-irritating, and won't clog pores, and hypoallergenic, and it won't clog your pores, you won't get pimples. However, I found it a little bit of tinsy mincy greasy. If I take an extra amount, that's when it greases out a bit. Otherwise, it's an amazing product. You have to use it this much and you're done. And I use it for my body also because my body is very dry but my face is very oily, so I hope you can understand the struggle. But an amazing product. It is for 745 rupees and it is 250 ml, so a big packaging goes a long way. So the third product that I have here is La Shield sunscreen, and this has a gel type consistency. I totally love this one. I mean, I have a lot of the sunscreens, but I personally love this one. I'll show you how it feels and looks. So that's how it looks, and it's look at the cream. It's so smooth and yet so moisturizing, and it blurs out your skin like nobody's business, and it is oil free and dermatologically tested. So this has been suggested to me by my dermatologist. So next one is these cotton buds from Miniso. There is nothing much to explain about cotton buds, but these ones right here have two textures. One side is completely plain and the other side has these I don't know how to explain, but there's a texture which helps to clean your ear in a faster and a better way. So I think I will be using these from now on because these are cheaper and this is pure cotton, and I got it for 150 rupees and the quantity is too much. So the next product is these cotton pads from Miniso again, and I'm sorry but I'm disappointed. This is totally transparent. I mean, you have to at least take 2-3 at a time to clean your makeup or clean your nail paint with these, and plus these are not so soft on your skin. I mean, the regular cotton balls or the other round cotton pads from any chemist store are much better than these. And I have a very sensitive skin, and personally with my skin they feel a little harsh. Can't wait to finish them and buy something else. Okay, so I'm done with Amazon and moving on to Nykaa now.
Can you see a dog paw here? Oh, so cute. So yeah, anyway.
So the first product from Nykaa I have is their shower gel, and Nykaa has a huge variety of shower gels, but this is what I chose to buy for myself because I have a thing for floral fragrance, and this is their Wanderlust Japanese Cherry Blossom Shower Gel, and it smells amazing. It is very relaxing and it has a very subtle fragrance. I think this product is best for the people who like something very subtle and relaxing and does not want a fragrance to linger on. But personally, I like something which lingers on for as long as it can, and for that I have this body wash. This is Love Beauty and Planet body wash, and this is Murumuru Butter and Rose Aroma. Exactly what it says. This has a fragrance of smooth butter and rose aroma, and I think it's a very straightforward product. It does what it says. It completely has a, oh my god, feel like eating it. And also this is cruelty free and this is vegan, so what else do you want? Totally love this one. Okay, so the next product is body lotion from Nykaa, and this is again Wanderlust Japanese Cherry Blossom. So that's how the body lotion looks like. It's a 300 ml bottle for 450 rupees, and it has a pump dispenser, and it's quite thick. It's not at all watery, which is good for dry skin like mine. And I like this one. I mean, good for the price and very moisturizing, and the fragrance is very nice. So the next product from the same range is their fragrance mist, and that's how it looks. This is again Wanderlust Japanese Cherry Blossom fragrance, and as you can see, I have used it this much and this is half full. I wouldn't say this is half empty because I'm a very optimistic person. Alright, jokes apart, fragrance is so good, so subtle, stays for a longer time, and it is cheap also, just for rupees 500. So I think you guys must hold one of these. Alright, so I'll walk you through the makeup now, and this is the first product that I got. This is Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette, and this is the remastered one, and I'll show you how it looks. Actually, I'm very excited. So that's how the eyeshadow palette looks like. I'm sure most of you would have already seen this on the internet by now, but I am still very excited to show it to you guys. So that's how it looks from the inside. The colors are so beautiful and well thought, because I think it's a remastered, so they must have thought about the colors and remade it, according to me. Just look at the swatch. I mean, I'm not boasting about it, but this is just one swatch and you can always build it and make it even more pigmented. I'm really happy with the pigmentation. Moving on to the next product now. This is Shimmer and Strobe Highlighting Palette from Flower Beauty, and that's how it looks like. So this has 3 colors in total. This is the gold color. This is a little bit of rose gold, and this has a peachy tone to it. So that's how they look, quite pigmented, and I'm really impressed by this company, and I am surely gonna buy more products from it. Look at this. Just look at the pigmentation. They are so pigmented and so soft and so buildable, so blendable. Totally loving it. What's the price? And the palette costs rupees 1350 for 8 grams, and it has 3 colors. Totally worth it, and they are cruelty free. So a win-win situation. So the next product is yet again from Flower Beauty. This is their Flower Pots powder blush, and this is shade Sweet Pea. That's how it looks. It is a very natural blush. I'm really impressed by Flower Beauty, and I'm honestly willing to invest more in their products. I mean, it's not even funny. The products are really good. Let me just swatch the blush for you and you will see it for yourself. It is powdery but yet so natural on the skin, and that's how it is. So the next product that I got from Nykaa is this Miss Clear Soft Matte Lip Cream, and that's how it looks. I got 2 colors in this. This is the Cherish color, and there is this another one that I got. And I think it's a very straightforward product. It does what it says. Trust me, when it comes to lipsticks, I have tried a hell lot of range, and in the drugstore range, this is the best one so far. If you're looking for a matte cream, something which does not dry your lips and yet is matte, then please go for this one. Let me swatch it for you guys. So the next product is yet again from Miss Claire. This is their Miss Claire Waterproof Eyebrow Pencil in shade 03 Medium Brown. I'm sorry to say, but I'm really disappointed with this product. When I used it, it gave me patchy strokes, and let me just show it to you guys. I don't know, maybe on the hand it still feels little fine, but on the eyebrows it felt very patchy, and maybe for some people it's a good product, but for me personally, I did not have a good experience with it. Maybe because I might have used a better product, so I wouldn't recommend to anyone. Last but not the least, I have here is again from Maybelline New York. This is their Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara, and this is an easy wash. Trust me, this is the only mascara that I use for daily basis, because first of all, it's not very harsh on your lashes, and you will not have to literally take out 10 minutes to keep removing your makeup from your eyes. So this is very friendly to your eyes, and secondly, this is very cheap. I just got it for 310 rupees, and that's how the brush looks like. The brush has a little round shape to fit into your eyelashes, and this is the best part about it. And with this, my angels, I finished my collective haul. I really hope you liked the video. If you did, just like the video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It will mean a world to me. And now I have to go and wash my hand because it's looking dirty as F. But I'll see you pretty soon. Till then, take care, stay safe, bye.